In Orders module, once the vehicle meets the export eligibility requirements, you can proceed to create an order for it. Note that multiple roles in the workflow have the authority to create an order. We recommend the supplier enter all the details and upload the files and photos, but just in case the supplier doesn't use this system, both the RAWS and the owner will be able to create the order. You have to select an owner who can view the order. You can either select an existing user or click Invite User, then fill in the required details. Next, select the RAWS. After filling in other information, the system will automatically check and display the vehicle's recall status. If you have doubts, you can click No Recall, and the page will redirect you to the vehicle manufacturer's official website. You can manually enter the vehicle's VIN number to check for any recalls. This double-check method allows you to quickly identify any safety issues with the vehicle, and you should remind the car owner that it's better to solve the problem before the vehicle shipment.